Okay, we are welcome on today. Today I will be talking on how to link Vmix and OBS. Now, these are two broadcasting softwares that we use to broadcast or transmit. This is the OBS 31 and Vmix 28. So I will be teaching you on how to link these two softwares through wireless internet connection, which are called NDI. That's Network Device Interface. Network Device Interface. So with Vmix has its own. When Vmix comes with the software in it. When you go to Vmix, when you have Vmix for your first time, Vmix already has it. When you go to your input and you see something like NDI like desktop capture, Vmix already has the NDI as the desktop capture. It's already in Vmix. Vmix already has it. But with OBS does not have it. So you need to download the NDI plugin for OBS. You need to download the NDI plugin. So we go now to our browser, to our Chrome browser, and we go to our Chrome browser and we type OBS NDI plugin. OBS NDI plugin download. You click on it and you click on the first OBS NDI plugin. Click on it and you come to the download option here. You click on the download option here. They're going to ask you to download the installer, download through build. So you first to download the installer. You click on download the installer. You check here, it is already downloading. So I'm going to cancel it because I already have the plugin. So I'm going to cancel the download because I already have the OBS plugin. So we are done. Once you download and you run the installation, you have to refresh your OBS back to your OBS. You close your OBS and you refresh it. You close and you restart. You launch the software. Once you launch the software, so you come to tools. After you have launched the software, you come to tools on your OBS, click on the tools. When you run the installation of the NDI, once you click on the tools, you are going to see this NDI output settings. When you click on this NDI output setting, so what do you want to go out? What do you want to send out? You want to send out the main screen. When they send the main, this is this program. When they say the preview, this is preview over here. When they say main, this other one. It's main, this program here. So do you want your OBS, do you want your Vmix to capture both the preview or to capture by the main program? So if you click on the main, it's going to capture the main. If you click on the preview, it's going to capture both the main and the preview. So for now, I'm going to select just the main because I want just the program out here, which I'm sending out here for Vmix to capture. So I'm going to click only on the main output OBS. So I'll click on the OK. You see now, this is what is showing on my OBS. Let me go now to my Zoom, to my Vmix software. When I go to Vmix and I open my Vmix, I come to my add input. I click on the NDI / desktop capture. When I click on the NDI / desktop capture, I'll allow the NDI option to search. When the NDI option will search, you see has picked what is showing on my OBS. This is what it has picked. If you see there is being written OBS, this is what it has picked on my OBS. So when I click on it and I answer OK, this is what, when you go, as I click on OK, this is what is appearing on my OBS. So I open my OBS software. See, this is what is showing on my OBS and is showing on my Vmix. What's showing on my OBS is showing on my Vmix. You can also do the vice versa on what is showing on my Vmix also to be captured by my OBS through the same NDI, that's network device interface. So simply I also come to my art here, my OBS software. Remember, this is what is showing on my Vmix, the Bible animation is showing on my Vmix. So I want to capture it in my OBS. So I'll also come to the art option here and I look for NDI source. This is the NDI source. Now click on the NDI source. You can rename it or you can choose a name you want, but for now I'm going to leave the NDI source 4. So I click on OK. So I need to search for my source name. Remember, I want to pick the Vmix. Remember, I want to pick the Bible animation that is showing on my Vmix. So I'm going to search for my Vmix here, Vmix output here. If you look here, you are going to see Vmix output 1. So I'm going to choose on my Vmix because I want to receive from my Vmix. Click on the Vmix output. See what's showing on my Vmix is now appearing on OBS through the NDI network device interface wireless connection. So I click on OK. As you can see, what is on my Vmix is inside my OBS, and what is in my OBS is inside my Vmix. So this is how we use the NDI, the network device interface, to link OBS and Vmix together.